guys, I thought I would make a video about my local Joann's and give you a tour, take you through the store and see what yarn is left, see if there's any panic buying, and at the end you will see what I bought at Joann. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for my daughter Lily for helping me with this Joann visit. So look at all the signs: store closing, everything 20 to 40% off, everything must go. So sad seeing these stores closing, but when I walked in here, it looked pretty full, looked pretty normal. This absolutely looks like my normal Joann store. So this is some Wooble yarn that they have here. They do have some kits in the store, but this is just the yarn for the kits. And it looks like this yarn is 25% off. Still pretty pricey for me at $14.99, 25% off, still kind of pricey. Okay, here is some Granny Square yarn from Red Heart. Beautiful colorways on this. This was 25% off. Still a good variety left. Okay, this is the Red Heart Flower Power yarn. Did I buy any of this? 25% off. Good variety still. Lots of colors. Okay, this was one of the yarn aisles. I don't think it's my usual big twist aisle, but it's the other aisle that I really don't buy a lot of yarn from. This is the clearance section, and there were some pretty good deals here. Still quite a few colors. This actually looks very normal for the clearance section here. There's some itty bitty stripes there. Here are some more yarn piles here. Again, it's 25% off. This is Insta Knit. Okay, here are some Wooble kits. They are 25% off, but at $30 a packet, still the 25% off was still a little bit too pricey for me. Okay, so here is my big twist aisle, and see, look, there's still some big twist colors here. There's lots of Red Heart colors. This is the other side, more of the Wool Ease colors. Still great variety here, lots of inventory still here. They're having their Yarnormous sale, 25% off. There's still some big twist plush skeins here, still a good variety, good selection of colors. Okay, here are some more yarn selections here. Okay, here's the Juicy Guitar, so it's $9.99. And it's 25% off. There's still quite a few colors here. Okay, here are some big blanket containers of yarn here. Huge selection of yarn. Here are some more big twist colors. These skeins were $4.49 and 25% off. Here's some more big twist. Is this the Posh? I think it is. Got some other big twist colors. These were beautiful colors. But at $6.99, still the 25% off was still a little pricey. If it was lower, I'd have bought some of these probably because I love the colors. Here are some more colors here. Nice variety of rainbow colors here for your projects. I was still quite pleased with the selection at my local Joann's. All right, in the back, they had lots of these boxes. Here's some more big twist blanket yarn here. Still happy with the selection of colors. Okay, this was my favorite section. This was the Big Twist Christmas yarn. I am absolutely obsessed with this Christmas yarn. It's so gorgeous. Do I have any of these skeins? Did I buy any of these skeins? I'm loving the colorways. Big Twist just popped off on Christmas colors this year. Absolutely love all of these beautiful colorways. Look at this one, how gorgeous it is. I love the two different greens and the red and the maroon. This one is gorgeous, especially you could use this for Valentine's Day. Love the pinks and the reds and the burgundies. Love, love, love these colors. Big Twist, you did such a great job. This one too, just classic Christmas colors. The one next to it with the bright green, I'm loving all of these. This is Candy Cane Twisty. Look at those colors. This one is so gorgeous. This had to be my favorite colorway, the Candy Cane Twist. Did I buy any of this? This one too is so gorgeous. I'm loving these candy cane twist colors. They are so beautiful. Absolutely love. So look at the selection here. I think it was pretty good. Looking at this video, you would never know that this store is closing. 25% off all of these skeins, and almost all of the yarn was 25% off. So great deals to be had. All right, here's some more colors. These were sort of the more neon colors. These have been here for quite a while in the store. Okay, here's just a regular Big Twist Christmas yarn. This is the Merry and Bright colorway. Did I buy any of this? Here's some variegated purple yarn. Beautiful colorways. I love the Big Twist colorways. I hope whoever buys the Big Twist yarn keeps all of these gorgeous new colors. All right, here are some more colorways. I'm just obsessing over all the colors. Okay, here are the book selection. Look at all the patterns to the right here when we first started this video. A lot of patterns for sewing still available, tons of books. All right, here's some even more Big Twist, beautiful springtime yarn. Look at all of these gorgeous colors that are available here. Okay, I am shopping with my eyes right now. I might have to go back. I'm loving the colorways. I'm hoping as the time goes by that the sales will get bigger. Jelly bean, look at those gorgeous colors. Look at this. I'm loving all the new colorways, Big Twist. This is just gorgeous. I'm hoping somebody else buys this brand and keeps all of these wonderful new colors. Okay, so this is homespun. Again, gorgeous colorways in this yarn, pretty good selection. I know that this yarn has been here for a while. I've seen it. So this is the Burnett blanket, and it's still here. Some of these jumbo skeins. All right, some more. Look at that palea. Look at that palea plant. All right, so some good selection of crochet books, knitting books here. Still wonderful selection here at my local Joann's. I was really pleased. It wasn't a mess. It was very nice and tidy. Great selection here of books. How-to crochet books, all kinds of instructional videos. Okay, so here's some other aisles that I wanted to show you. Some of the crafting aisles, ribbons and sewing notions. Everything looks, you know, pretty normal. There were some spots that were pretty bare, but overall the store was very neat, clean, and organized. Here's my daughter. She's buying some fabric. We waited for a long line in this fabric cutting aisle. Here's some candles. I just want to show you, look how it's not even crowded in the store. Pretty good selection here in candles and containers. Here's the decorative aisle. This was all 40% off, which is pretty normal for prices in this section of decorative. I love all the mushroom stuff. Dishcloths were so cute, so pretty. All new springtime items for home decor. All right, these are the little porch gooses. Did I buy one of these gooses? Do you think I bought one? Let me know in the comments if you think I bought one. You'll see at the end of this video what I bought. These gooses were cute too. Look at this trivet, this Lazy Susan with the mushrooms on it. This was just so beautiful. Did I get that? I don't know. Look at these dishcloths. I will tell you that I bought my daughter 2 of these dishcloths. They were so pretty. Look at this adorable little apron. I'm just loving the colorways on this cute little adorable apron. I don't know, do I need an apron? I'm not sure. Aren't these so pretty? I'm loving all of the strawberry designs. They are so cute. The tablecloths, again, everything looks pretty normal. Lots of Easter decorations, so I'm glad they have everything out for Easter. There's my daughter here. We're doing a little bit of shopping. And you can see there are some things in the cart. So what did I buy? I will have to show you at the end of this video. Some more Easter home decor. Lots of inventory here, and there were not big crowds in the store. It wasn't a mess. It wasn't disorganized. Everything was just running very smoothly. Okay, and you can see in the background, it's not overcrowded, very neat, very organized. Guys, I wanted to show you what I bought at my local Joann's. So you have seen what my local Joann's looks like, how much yarn was there. What do you think I bought? Do you think I bought any yarn? Do you think I bought a lot of yarn, a little bit of yarn? What do you think? Well, I'm gonna show you. Here's the bag of what I bought at Joann's. I did not go crazy. I did not panic buy. There's no reason to panic. I will show you what I got because I wanted to have some of this yarn to make some beautiful velvet hair scrunchies. This is the Juicy Couture yarn that I bought the most of, and I really do not even love using this yarn. The minute you take it out of this packaging, it sort of falls apart. It's not my favorite to work with, but I love the finished product. I love the colorway. This is the sparkle. So let's see what I bought. You put on my glasses here so I can see. All right, so this is the colorway Free Love. It is the hot pink color, and this is the sparkle velvet. So I got just 2 of these. So 2 of the velvet sparkle in the Free Love hot pink color. And then I've got the light pink color, which they are calling Soft Glow. Again, this is the sparkle velvet. So this is the really light, the lightest pink that they have. Again, the color is Soft Glow, and it is this sparkle. So I will be making scrunchies out of all of this. Okay, and this color is so perfect. This is the perfect pink color. This is called Hot Pink. Why this is Hot Pink and the hot pink is not hot pink, I don't know. But this is a beautiful colorway. This is not a sparkle. This is just a velvet yarn, which I love. It's so beautiful. So I'm gonna make hair scrunchies. Now, I can only get like 3 hair scrunchies out of this Juicy Couture skeins. They were 25%, I think, if I remember right, off. Not a huge deal, but I figured why not get them while I can. I didn't need to buy this yarn at all, and I probably shouldn't have, but I really like the color, and I want to make sure that I have some velvet yarn hair scrunchies for those of my followers who absolutely are obsessed with my hair scrunchies. I sell all kinds of colors, and go check out my hair scrunchies. They're really big and thick and full, and I have lots of colors. So go check them out, and let's see what else I bought from Joann. So I only bought 6 skeins of the Juicy Couture velvet yarn. Again, I hemmed and hawed at it. I didn't know whether I should buy it or not. And I also bought 2 of these. Now, I could not find this color at my local Walmart when we checked for this yarn. Now, my local Walmart does carry the Granny Square yarn. So this is the Red Heart Granny Square yarn, which I absolutely love. This is my favorite colorway that they do. And this colorway is called Black Verdant Vine. And I absolutely love this color. Now, I got 2 of these because I want to make another kitty mushroom bag that I made last week. I loved it. It sold, and it was just the cutest bag ever, and I used this yarn with it. This yarn doesn't have a lot of stretch or flow to it, and so it's a great yarn for making bags. I've never tried to make a granny square with it, but I love it for making something that you need the yarn to be really sturdy, because it's not that it's rough, it's just dense, very dense yarn, and I absolutely love it for bags. So I just got 2. That's all I got in this color because I really want to make a couple more of those bags. It looked beautiful in the bag that I made. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you later on.